Here we are going to be using the Clipper office tester to clean this sample of robust popcorn. The customer that sent us this sample said that he had a bad year and the corn was not as uniform and there was a lot of small kernels of the popcorn in the sample. So I pulled some out here so that you can hopefully see it. You can see we have the two big kernels there next to the two small ones. So we have selected the best screens that we believe are the best for the job to sift those small kernels out. Loaded in the cleaner, we have a 19 round on the top screen here, and then underneath of that screen is a 12/64 round. So we're going to be running this sample through. The cleaned bigger kernels will come out the bottom of the cleaner. The smaller popcorn kernels will come out the side into this bucket, and anything too large that stays on the top screen, which there's not really any larger pieces, but there could be in the product coming off of the combine, there will come out into this slot and then be discharged down into our pan below. Anything light that is blown out with the air will either come into this back air catch-all or will be discharged into the heavy air settling chamber, which is in this pan here. So we will go ahead and show you the unit in operation. Here you can see the smaller kernels dropping out. These are falling through the number 12 round hole screen, just under this 19 round hole screen. We will go ahead and finish this sample, and then we will show you the final result. Okay, so here you can see the final results of the robust popcorn sample. You can see we have the larger kernels over here. These stayed on top of the 12 round hole screen. And here is your smaller, more shriveled kernels. These fell through the 12 round hole screen. You can pause the video now to see the comparison. Here you can see the few lightweight particles, pieces, and kernels that were removed with the air on the Clipper office tester. Okay, we are now going to clean the small red Flint corn sample, and we are going to remove the small shriveled kernels like this one out of this sample. And we are again going to be using the Clipper office tester. For this sample in the cleaner, we have a 24 round on the top, and on the bottom screen we have a 14 round. Okay, this is showing the final results of the smaller red Flint corn test. You can see the larger kernels over here, and then over here is your real small kernels. These fell through the 14 round hole screen. You can always up the size of that screen and maybe go to a 15 if you wanted to drop more smaller kernels out. But I believe that this is the screen you need based on running various tests with other sizes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.